Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you what gestures do you have on your one more stylish wireless headphones. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to remove them from our case, just like this. So, we can go to YouTube now to some kind of video. And now, if we skip this ad, we can now hold your video with 2 clicks, unhold your video with 2 clicks, volume up if we click one time, volume up, this only right, if we do it with this with left one, it's just volume down. It's this button right there. That's it. Leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe. Goodbye.